Okay, same right, Achilles tendon repair, 1031. Kurt, try and move your heel out on the right, but keep your foot where it is, as in your toes where they are. Right. So this enhances the stretch, doesn't feel good. See the limited knee flexion on the left? That's because the stretch on the right hurts. Change to the other side, Kurt. Alright, now look, the stance is much different here. Nice full bend on the right knee. Almost has a hyperextended knee on the left. Could be, you know, part of the cause of the injury in the first place. Alright, now let's switch back one more time. Okay, much different range of motion on extension. Kurt just weaned himself out of the boot the past 5 days.